Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you one more car of my collection. Today I'm going to open this Best of Show. It's not written on the box exactly what kind of car we have inside, so it's going to be a sort of a surprise. But before I unbox this car and show you the surprise, I'd like to thank you for all the likes and comments as well as subscriptions, and I would like you to please continue sharing and subscribe my channel and clicking the bell for news. So let's go on, unbox it and take a closer look. So we've opened the black box, and very nice Chrysler Imperial Le Baron. That's a great car. That's made by BOS. It's made in resin, which is a reinforced plastic, and let me tell you, this is a very awesome car. That's very nice. You have no opening doors, no opening hood, no opening trunk, no detailed chassis, but the sort of details we have on this car, the way it is, shaped in a scale 1/18 and measuring about 13 inches, which is a big car. We can see that this is a very nice model that's very well built. And depending on the angle you stare at this car, you have the impression you're looking at the actual car. Let's take a look at the front with those hidden headlights and those very noble details and trims and fins we had for Imperial in 1971. This very long hood, a nice brown interior. As we can see, no handles, no details were forgotten. The dashboard is very well reproduced, as well as mirror, steering wheel, headliner, a vinyl roof, as well as a badge, the Baron badge. The vinyl very well made, as well as trim. Let's take a look at the rear, Imperial badge, and those tail lights, which I think are awesome. Let's look at the emblems. That's a very nice car. Something I really like having in my collection. Love those wheels and tires, those big hubcaps. The door handles are perfect, just like mirrors. Better look at the interior now. Passenger side. Front trim. And another look at the front. So, since this car has no detailed chassis, it really makes no sense showing in the bottom. So that's going to be it for now. I thank you for seeing my video. Please don't forget to leave your like, to give your comments, click the bell for news, subscribe my channel, and share my video. I do thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.